Hey guys, we are going to write equation to represent subtraction today. And this is a little new to you. You've seen it before, but I don't think we've really dug into it that deep as of yet, but we are today. So again, parents, teachers, the problem is here by the apple. So let's read this problem. And then we're going to have to write an equation, and I call them number sentences sometimes as well. So Riley has 53 crayons. Oh my goodness, I'm not sure what to do with that 53. I really don't know. So I'm going to just put it right up here for right now. And this is Riley. I think that's an EY. Riley has 53 crayons. He gives some to Courtney, but I don't know what he gave her. So now Riley has 38 crayons. How many crayons did Riley give to Courtney? So, since this number is smaller, I'm going to have to subtract something there. So here is kind of what an equation looks like. I have my information down here. Now I'm just going to put it in an equation form. Let's look over here for just a minute before I finish. Look at this. Wow. So I have to figure out first how many, or what I need to do here. So to find this number, wouldn't I subtract 53 minus 38 equals our question mark here. So they're equal. See, they look the same. We're trying to find that. So let's put this in a vertical format and see if we can figure it out. But this right here is going to be an equation. We've got to borrow because you can't take 8 away from a smaller number, which makes that a 4. And then 10 plus 3 becomes 13. Now I can subtract 8. Again, you can use your dots. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I've got to take 8 of those away. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had to double count that for just a second. 4 minus 3 is 15. So, our question mark now is 15. It's 15. So hopefully, actually, we're going to add, no, we got to subtract. Sorry. Now then, that's how you come up. And here is your number sentence or your equation. They're both kind of say the same thing. Equation. Okay. So there's that. Remember, go back and look at this thing twice if you need to. I'm going to run out of time before I get finished, but I think you'll get the idea. So we're going to do the same thing here. There were 32 birds in the trees. 32. Then 18 of those birds flew away. How many are there in the trees now? So this one we don't have to find the missing number. I'm going to subtract. That makes it 12. So there's 14 birds in the tree. And you can do your work right here too. But use all this space to do your work and show me your work to see. So as if you get it incorrect, then I can look at your work and figure out what you did. Okay? So Carla read 43 pages in her book. Joe read 32 pages in his book. How many more? This is a key subtraction problem. How many more pages did Carla, and this is Carla and this is Joe, how many more pages did Carla read than Joe? Well, we're going to have to subtract that. Oh, and we don't have to borrow. And it's 11 because 3 minus 2 is 1 and 4 minus 3 is 1. 11 more pages. Oops, I am so sorry. There we go. Now then. Parents, we may have to walk them along on this one because I know this is a little tough. I'll let you guys, you need to do that one on your own. Keisha had a bag of ribbons. So we have this, think about it, it's in your mind, it's a big bag of ribbons. She took 29 ribbons out. So 29 ribbons came out of the bag. There were 17 ribbons still in the bag. How many ribbons were in the bag to start with? So how many? It's asking how many all total? That is addition, my friend. Okay? And it says here, look, use subtraction to prove your answer. Tells us what we're doing. But this is a multi-step, which means you're going to have to do 2 things at least. So there are 50 bees in a hive. 50 bees in a hive. Some bees fly out. We don't know how many. So we don't know how many came out. If fewer than 20 bees are still in the hive, how many bees could have flown out? It says fewer than 20. I'm going to say, I don't know, 18. Huh? Sure. Anyway, sorry guys. Thank you. That's, oh my stars, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. I just got a piece of pizza, guys. Oh, Supreme, my favorite. Oh my gosh. So anyway, there was 50 bees. Some flew away. Now there's fewer than 20. So I'm just going to say 18. A lot of the answers are going to be different. Okay. So if fewer than 20 bees are still in the hive, how many bees could have flown out? We don't know. So we're going to have to figure this out. So I can take these 2 numbers and subtract them and find out how many bees flew out. So I'm going to subtract 50 minus 18. I got to borrow, so that makes that 10. It's 2 and 3. So 32 bees could have flown out. It could have been fewer than that, a little fewer than that, and 1 more than that, but no more than 33. So 32 bees, okay? So super excited about my pizza. All right, guys, independent work over here without a lot of help. Let them see what they can do on their own, Mom and Dad. I know it's hard. You want to help them all the time. But anyway, enjoy your Friday. Bye.